and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a Trendsend box, and I ordered this box before my birthday, actually, hopeful that I'd get it for my birthday, and somehow it got delayed and it didn't come until the end of the week after my birthday, almost a week late. But I ended up getting a credit, a coupon code to use because it was so late. So I guess that was a good thing. And if you're not familiar with Trendsend, I'm going to leave all the information in the comments instead of giving a whole spiel. I do that every time, and I feel like most people that are watching this are familiar with Trendsend. But again, if you're not, hit and go to the comments and take a look. If you've never gotten a Trendsend before, please feel free in the comments to use my link, and you will get your, I think it's $1, but all the information will be in the comments. So, but use that link, and I know also you'll get 20% off your first box if you use my link. So will I. But now, without further ado, I'm gonna just get into this try-on. This is the Everything June box. I have the first dress on in the box, so we're gonna take a look at that. And I'm sorry, I know the sun is going in and out for some reason, so, but I think the overall quality should not be diminished on this video. But let's get to the first try-on and take a look, so hang on. Okay, I am back with the first item in this box. And as well, I didn't even read in the initial, I just want to read the stylist note, and it looks like her name is Jen, because I actually asked to be styled in one of the East Coast stores. I asked for Massachusetts, being in New York, to try to get this box to me quicker once it got delayed. So, Janine, happy Trendsend Day. I love curating this box for you. I noted you were looking for styles inspired by the Everything June box and had some items on your wish list. I'm sending you a mix of pieces from inspired by your wish list and the box. These are all great. Some summery outfits that will be your go-to for many seasons to come. Have fun trying on. I look forward to hearing how you do. Style by Jen. And now, this outfit, this was one of the outfits. There's two dresses in the box, so I'm wearing the first. And just so I know, because when you look at this, it's hard to always tell what's what. This is by Emerson Fry. This is the Isla dress. It's in Sunday Blue Stripe. It's an extra small / small. And let me actually proceed to the checkout so I can give you the price. It normally is $168. This dress is all over the place on Trendsend's website right now, but I have to admit, I think as maybe like a bathing suit cover up, it would work. It's cute, don't get me wrong, but just to wear as a dress, it's huge. It has like the tie here, and it has another tie, which I would not tie this. This is a little too much. It's like all the way at the neck. I just kind of pulled this tie just very light and loose, but it is cute. It's that, like, it's very nautical with the blue and white stripe detail, but again, it's big. Like I said, I think if I were to keep something like this, it would be for like a bathing suit cover up, but I don't feel that this is something I just wear out. And I know, I think this is the style right now, but this is like that baby doll look. It does have a slip underneath, so it has like 2 layers. I don't know, like I said, I'll have to look back at the footage, but I just feel like when I put it on, I just felt like it was just kind of hanging. But I don't know, that's just what I'm thinking, but that's my initial. Anyways, I have another dress in this box, so I want to try that on for you before I try on the jeans that were in the box with all the tops that she said to mix and match with them. So hang on, and we're going to take a look at that. Okay, as promised, here is dress number 2. Dress number 2 is by Evereve. This is the Arya mixed media dress. in the color black, size small, $138. This dress, I think, at least fits a little bit better. Although I was reading the reviews and some people say the top tends to stretch out. So it is bra friendly for the most part, but I had to kind of like lift it a little to make sure that my bra wasn't showing under my arms. Here's the back. So the mixed media, it is like a knit on top. I don't know if you can see it, but it has like almost like striped knit material, and then on the bottom it's just cotton and flowy. I will pan down so you can see the whole bottom in a moment, but it's cute. And honestly, oh, and it has pockets. That's always a bonus. But this would be very comfortable and flowy, just, you know, nice sundress to wear. And I like that it's black. It's kind of a basic, but at the same point you can dress this up or dress it down. I actually have on the wedge heels that were in my Stitch Fix. If you saw my Stitch Fix before this, you'll know what I'm talking about. So let me pan down so you can see the bottom of this dress. So here's the bottom, and like I said, I'm wearing more of a heel, like it's a wedge, but it's a heel. But you could probably wear flats with this too, depending upon if you wanted to dress it up, dress it down. But it's cute. I don't know. This one I'm kind of, if I was going to go for a dress in the box, this one I would kind of think would be better. It does not, like the other one, I'm lifting it up to show you, it's only one layer. It does not have like a slip underneath or anything. But I don't know. This one at least I feel has a little bit more of a fit to it and a shape versus the other that's just kind of was hanging there. But you be the judge. Let me know. Again, these were the two dresses. We're gonna be back with the jeans in a moment. Okay, as promised, I have on the next outfit, and it is a t-shirt with jeans that were in the box. So we'll pan down for the jeans as well, but let me give you the information. The t-shirt is the Janis Joplin tee. It is in vintage black, size extra small, and the brand is Retro Brand Black Label, originally $68. So I had this on my wish list, and I think it's really cute, but I'll be honest, I have a ton of graphic t-shirts already, but I happen to love Janis Joplin, and I used to have, back in the day, I had all her CDs, everything. I listened to her music a lot when I was younger. So I thought this was a neat and different t-shirt because I don't have any band or graphic tees by her, but I have enough. So I don't know if I need this, but I did like the saying, you know, her name, and even the design. It looks like almost like an old record on it, and the color, I mean, black goes with everything. And then even the fact that this is kind of like a brown, like a brown color behind it. I thought, you know, summer into fall, this could definitely work. As for the jeans I know are cut from the cloth. They are the Kelsey high-rise ankle flare. The color is engrossed, size 2, $99. Again, I know we had this conversation during Wannable. I don't know if I need jeans right now, to be honest, but they are cute. If you're in the market for jeans, these have very, very light distressing, but for the most part, other than these like little spots, they're pretty clean. Not heavily distressed by any means. Working pockets in the front, working pockets in the back. They fit pretty well. I do have some give and some room, so that's good. I do have the t-shirt tucked in, so I have a front tuck, but the t-shirt, this is about the length of it all the way around. It comes down to like the middle of my behind, my butt. I'm gonna pan down so you can see the bottom of these jeans, and I'm wearing them with a pair of Birkenstocks, so hang on. So here at the bottom, and when I said they really weren't distressed, they are cut off though. So like if they were too long, you could cut them even more. That is a good thing, like, you know, depending upon your height. Just for reference, I'm 5'3". They have What I really like there that's different is the seam kind of begins to fan out. So it has two seams. It has one here and then one here because it kind of fans out from here. So that's pretty unique and different. I don't know, they're cute. Like I said, I don't think I need jeans, but if I was in the market, they are a lighter wash. You know, they could be worn in the summer on a cooler day or a cooler evening. So there's that. Anyways, I have a couple other tops to show with these jeans, so I'm going to come back and switch. Hang on. Okay, so I'm back. I left the jeans on, but I wanted you to see I threw on the hoodie that was in the box, and it is over the t-shirt that was in the box as well. There was another t-shirt. So let's take a look at the hoodie first. The hoodie is by Evereve, and it is the Joey lace-up pullover, color navy, size small, normally $88. So I know this has like a nautical vibe to it with the string that's kind of white on the navy color. It has a hood. It is cute, but I have a lot of hoodies at this point. I don't know if I'm in the market for this, to be honest. And I also have a lot of vineyard vines and a local company as well for like that nautical look. So if you are looking for the nautical look though and a cute hoodie, I don't think that this would disappoint you. It's very comfortable. Color, like I said, it's like in that navy color. It's cute. But I also have a t-shirt underneath. So let me take the hoodie off so you can see the t-shirt that came in the box. Okay. This is, and I have a front tucked. This is, I believe, the Perfect White Tee. Let me get you all the information though. Yes, this is by Perfect White Tee. This is the Hendrix V-neck tee, color white, size extra small, normally $70. So it's just a regular white tee, but I have requested this because I've been in the market for a basic white tee to replace mine. So I do really like this. Let me show you the back of it. Here is the t-shirt untucked. It is cute. I mean, I got no complaint. I did request this, so I'm leaning towards possibly looking at, you know, what I would keep with my discounts. I have a gift card. It might be one of my keepers, to be honest with you. But that said, I have two more, I believe 2 more tops. So I'm going to switch and go for that now. I'll be back. Okay, as promised, I have on the next top in this box. And this is also by Evereve. This is the Cassie tie shoulder top. And this is in the color black, size extra small, normally $58. And this was another wish list item. I saw this on one of the models in one of their Evereve videos on Instagram. And I loved the detail on the sleeve. Actually on the shoulder, I mean. But it's just a plain black top with, you know, just a little added oomph detail. I have it front tucked. Here's the back. Here's the top untucked. You could wear it, you could totally wear it untucked as well as tucked. So it's cute. I mean, I have no issue with this. Again, another one of my wish list items. So, you know, I'm going to take a look at the footage when I look back. But it's another one I'm leaning towards possibly keeping. So, but I have one more top, so let's get to it. Hang on. Okay, one last top in this Trendsend box. This is by Emerson Fry. It is the Mandarin collar top. It is SALTSWISSDOT color, one size, and it's normally $118. So it has, I don't know if you can see it, but it has like this Swiss dot pattern. It's really, really sheer, but I'm wearing a nude bra underneath, so I hope that it's not too sheer. I don't know if this should really have something underneath it, to be honest, because it is the more I'm looking at it, it is extremely sheer, but I have it front tucked. It has like elastic on the sleeve. It does have that collar that it mentioned, but I have it kind of down. I don't think I'd wear it completely up like that. The length of the shirt in the back, and like I said, I have it front tucked, but here's it untucked completely. It is buttoned down. It's cute, but again, very, very sheer. So I'm not exactly sure how you'd wear this. The models seem to wear it with nothing underneath, but I don't know if that's really, I'm wearing it for you that way, but yeah. Anyways, let me bring the camera up. Quick wrap up before we call it a day on this try on. So hang on. Okay, very quick wrap up. You've seen everything in this box. The quick wrap up item is, for everything that's in the box, if I were to keep 4 items, I'd get 20% off. And like I had said to you, I have a 15% off coupon code. I also have 25 from my last month's rewards. So I have to figure out which coupon is probably better. I think the 15 is going to be better. And I have a gift card left from Christmas time, so I'll probably be using that as well. But you've seen everything in this. I'd appreciate your honest feedback, and those who are returning subscribers, thank you so much for returning, your friendship, all your support. It means the world to me. If you are not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button below. Give me the thumbs up if you like this video. And now I just want to say, have a magical day and bye.